Italy, a land of enchanting landscapes, historic cities, and rich cultural heritage. There is no better way to experience its true essence than by walking through its charming streets, scenic countryside, and iconic landmarks. Here's a glimpse into what makes walking in Italy a truly unforgettable experience. Historic cities. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Rome, Florence, and Venice, where every corner tells a story of ancient civilizations, Renaissance art, and architectural marvels. Picturesque villages. Discover hidden gems in the form of quaint villages like Positano, Cinque Terre, and San Gimignano, each offering stunning views, local delicacies, and warm hospitality. Breathtaking landscapes. Walk through the rolling hills of Tuscany, the rugged coastlines of Amalfi, and the serene lakes of Como and Garda, where nature's beauty is at its finest. Cultural richness. Experience the vibrant culture of Italy through its festivals, markets, and street performances, immersing yourself in the local way of life. Culinary delights. Savor authentic Italian cuisine as you stroll through bustling markets, family-run trattorias, and elegant cafes, enjoying everything from freshly baked bread to exquisite wines.